Before we get into the video, I have 100 gift cards that I'm giving away. iTunes gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and many, many more. To enter, you must be subscribed with notifications on. Also, you have to go down below in the comment section and tell us which gift card that you'd like to receive. And for the final step, be sure to drop a like on the video.
So, I'm going to show you guys. The drinks are $1.50. I have $2. I'm going to do it. So you pick the drink that you want. And then you're going to stick your hand up in here and block the door. So you just do that. C4. It's going to get the drink, but I'm not going to let it through, as you guys can see.
Someone's coming.
Sorry. What the hell? And it's giving me all my money back. It's giving me all my money back. See, pure money. So now, you can get another drink. So as you guys can see, I'm not even joking. And then show them the drink down there. The Coke. Now I'm going to get some Sprite, D4. Now it's vending. That's how you get 2 drinks.
Take the straw and you keep it, make sure you keep pressure on the bottom like this. Take the straw, slide it in, apply some pressure, and you'll feel it kind of slide in somewhere. Push it in about yay far. As you can see, here's a normal straw. It's about how far you want it in. Do it in all the slots where the quarters supposedly go. That straw is kind of weird shaped, so this might not work. All 4 of them nice and tight. Take your thing, push it in, give it some pressure, pull it back. Washing machine has started.
So what you do is you press the numbers 1, 5, 5, 7, 9, 5. Now you wait a couple seconds, and as you can see, the machine is not opened. It is closed. See down here, nothing in there. I've got 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. You start, put the money in there. 25. 50, and as you see, they're dropping down in here. 50. 75. And $1. So now you go down here. 4 quarters. Now, put those 4 in there again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now at the end, take your money out. 4 quarters. Now pick your snack. I'm gonna pick B6. There's B6. Down goes the snack.
Just gotta get it folded right. Was it going in? Okay, it might glitch and say that there's only 5, or I mean, it'll say that there's 5, or it'll say welcome. If you just hit the change button. Okay, right there. It's going up. $5 in credit. It's blinking orange though. Just hit the change button. Alright. I'm just going to leave it in there because I actually want to get something. And I want... When it gives you all your change and everything, you just pull this out. Lights are gonna flash red, and it's gonna keep trying to suck the money in. And then the lights are back green.